It's Sunday morning. It's time for Good Day Cooks. We're social distancing. We've got our masks on. Here with Executive Sous Chef Joseph Secundra with Contigo Catering. How are you this morning?
I'm good, thanks.
So talk about Contigo. You guys have pivoted because of this pandemic. You're doing something a little bit differently. You're a catering company. How have y'all changed things up a little bit?
So instead of doing events now, we are doing to-go food. So we box up, package food up, menu items that we like to do here at Contigo, and try and sell it to the public and all our clients.
Yeah, so you've been doing online orders?
Online orders, yeah, and that's been working out really well for us.
Yeah. So you've got some Memorial Day stuff going on. What are y'all going to make for Memorial Day? What do we have here?
So yeah, we have Memorial Day menu out. So on there we have a chili and yogurt marinated chicken. So today I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken, and we're going to grill it and show you what it looks like once it's done.
Cool.
Yeah. So over here we have the marinade, the chili marinade. In the marinade we have guajillo peppers, garlic, ginger, cilantro, paprika. We cook the guajillos in water, let that sit, and then we blend everything up to make this nice little paste. There's salt and pepper already in here, so we don't have to do anything to the bird. We'll put the marinade on. Make sure each crevice has marinated in it, because you want to get all pieces of the chicken nicely marinated.
Yeah.
And the next step will be to put this bird in the fridge overnight for about 24 hours, just for that marinade just to set in and stick to the bird. So when you go to grill it tomorrow, all that marinade seeps through the chicken and sits there.
Yeah. I know it's not cooked yet, but it already smells good. The marinade smells really good.
Thank you.
And voila, we have the finished product. You refrigerated it overnight. You cooked it. How was the cooking process?
So there's two ways that you can do the bird. You can grill it, so get your grill nice and hot. Mark it on both sides, the breast side and the underside, and then you can put it in the oven. Or if you have a cast iron, which I recommend, get your cast iron nice and hot, get it ripping, a little bit of oil, and put your bird down, breast side down, get nice brown on it, and then same thing on the other side, maybe a couple of minutes, and then put it on a sheet tray, and then again put it in the oven at 350 degrees, 40 to 45 minutes, and once it's done, take it out, let it rest. Make sure to let the bird rest, because the juices inside will start to go back into the bird and make your bird nice and juicy, and that's the secret. Even if you're like cooking a steak on Memorial Day, make sure you rest your steak.
Last question, beyond Memorial Day, you guys are continuing doing quality to-go orders. How do people find you?
So we have a website, or we have a online specific to-go orders, contigodispatch.com. And on there, you'll be able to see upcoming weeks of different menu items that we're doing that week. Every week, our menus change, so keep a lookout. We also have desserts on there, like brownies, a citrus cake. And we also have some grocery items that we're about to roll out too. So if you're in the need of like pimento cheese or some dressings, or those are going to be coming out sometime soon.
Pimento cheese, that sounds good.
Thanks.
Y'all gonna make it?
Yeah, it's all house made. Everything that we do is all made in house.
Awesome. Joseph with Contigo, thank you so much.